In this tutorial I will show you how to add filters in your videos on CapCUT. See the changes now. This video color will be turned different within a moment after applying filter on it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. First open CapCUT and then go to Import Device Media. Bring the video on import area from your computer. Then bring that video into timeline. Move the playhead forward to add the filter on it. I will add filter in this position. Go to Filters. And then click on it. Many filter option will be popped up now. So right now I want to make it little bit bluish. Scroll down and choose Movies. Choose blue-gray. So see how it comes when it's here. It becomes blue. You make a little bit like this. Export. See you on next tutorial.